Sup traders, showing y'all under the hood a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm not going to break it down fully for you guys. I started my academy, whatever, but just to show you what I love about this system. Right now account balance is 94. I'm floating some profit. AUD JPY hit TP today for plus 2,400. CHF Huff hit TP, although I did take stops on GBP MXN and Euro NZD, and took a couple other stops and re-entered. So what I love about this system is it produces a ridiculous amount of trades. So I can risk small on each individual trade, or proportionally to me, small on each individual trade. The trades are inversely correlated. So I'm short a GBP and I'm long a GBP at the same time. This USD CNH trade has no correlation to any of the other trades. I do have correlated CAD NOK trades, or I have couple correlated NZD trades, couple correlated. So there's for sure correlation, but it is, yeah. It's way more. I don't have to be patient. I can just take trades. I don't have to wait for Bitcoin to get to my level. Right, so I've been sitting in this New Zealand trade. I just entered this CAD long, buying a low price. I've been sitting in this AD NOK short. I took half off of this AUD CHF and I'm letting the other half run to a bigger target. I have Euro GBP I just put on. I actually took a stop. I was just barely too tight on my stop, unfortunately. Same thing with GB DKK, took a stop, re-entered. The USD CNH, entered so many trades, entered, beating the spreads on various things already. The account's been growing steadily, like had some losing days, but it's just steadily growing week after week for the most part. At the same time that, what has Bitcoin done? It's just, right, I mean, trading long, obviously, like, I'm not saying you cannot make money trading risk assets. It just depends what your goal is. If you're working a job and you don't have much time and you just want to be an investor, I think it's totally fine. But for me, as an income trader, I want to make money every month, ideally every week, but I need to make money every month trading. It's really hard to do it in investment assets. It's easy to make money every year in investment assets. It's hard. It's easy to make money most years, not every year, but it's hard to make money every month because you don't want to short these things. I've done it, but it's just a losing strategy to be shorting risk assets. You want to be long. You want to be long because over time, Bitcoin, gold, the stock market, they go up over time, but they don't go up every month. So it's kind of hard to make money every month trading risk investment assets. So and they're slow, they're sleepy. They're all correlated also. Typically, if there's a red month for one, there's a red month for all of them. It's not always true, but for the most part, all the indices are pretty correlated. Even the Japanese one and the European one and the Australian one are correlated. Bitcoin and gold, they're a little bit different, but still pretty correlated. It's kind of a nasty looking wick right here for a triple top, possibly right. I'm not predicting it, I'm not trading it. I don't want to short this thing. I want to leave it alone. And commodities, I like commodities. There's just not enough of them, and the trading hours are weird and the gaps can be deadly. Forex, you have to worry about the spreads, but not very much gaps. Never seen it. Rarely there's much of a gap over the weekend. So yeah, if you're interested, go fill out my form, check it out. Started the academy, teaching people. I want to make trading more meaningful for me, and part of that is helping people. And I believe in the system so much. And I see so many systems out there that have good setups, but they don't have good frequency or risk management. And my system has that. Like, you have so many trades, so that you don't need to bet that much, and you don't need to stress out about losers. And also, it's just set it and forget it. I'm taking a lot of trades, but I'm taking them on the daily chart, check in once a day, go through my list, and it doesn't take very long. So, yep. If you're interested, go fill out my form, request the time to talk to me if I still have the booking up, and let's get it. Peace.